Welcome to episode 1 of Manufacturing in the Now, where I'll talk about a piece of current manufacturing news. Today's topic is digital manufacturing. Digital manufacturing is the current buzzword on the internet, so much so that if you were to type in the keywords digital manufacturing into Google, you will see an astounding 800 million results. That's ridiculous. I don't know for sure, but I'd bet a good penny that this exact search term 5 years ago would have only produced one quarter to maybe half of those numbers. So, what does digital manufacturing mean? Well, it means something a little bit different to everybody. To me, when I think of digital manufacturing, I think of software that makes things more connected, more automated, and definitely more accessible. For example, ERP software. Certain ERP software can use built-in artificial intelligence to predict when inventory levels will become low. And then when connected to the right software, they can even, automate to replenish your orders. I don't know about you, but the infusion of artificial intelligence in the ERP software seemed to happen overnight. You know what else seemed to happen overnight? Connected cloud software. 4 to 5 years ago, everyone in the manufacturing industry was seemingly afraid of cloud software. Now, cloud software doesn't just connect to other software, it integrates with it to bring you complete digital transformation. So maybe you're saying to yourself, big deal, we can do it all. We can do without all this digital transformation garbage. Well, you might be able to, but I remember hearing of some manufacturers who transitioned their software to the cloud right before the COVID-19 pandemic. And when the lockdowns were implemented, these same manufacturers gave some of their employees 3D printing machines to take home, and their business was actually able to stay afloat because they had transitioned digitally, were connected, and then they ultimately were better prepared than most. So, how do you start to become a digital manufacturer? Here are 3 steps I recommend to get started. Number 1, take inventory of the things you already use. This could be servers, desktop software, ERP software, Gmail accounts, etc. If you use it, write it down. Number 2, research some software that is comparable to what you're using, but make sure that it is cloud-based. I'm biased towards Microsoft software because they offer a full suite of every software you'll most likely need to run your business. The software is integrated, and I personally love the digital vision that Satya Nadella has, who is the CEO of Microsoft. Number 3, find yourself a reputable Microsoft partner. They don't have to be local, but they should have a gold competency in something to get started. This way they have access to other Microsoft partners and resources, because depending on the scope of your transformation, it's possible you may need 1 to 2 Microsoft partners, maybe more, to actually pull off your implementation and your digital transformation. All right, there you have it, episode 1 of Manufacturing in the Now.